Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, The Global Tongue, and I'm your friend Sanjit Kumar Vishakarma. I hope you remember me by now, and this is my channel, and in this channel, as you know, I talk about communication. So today I am here again with my new video, and the topic of my today's video is present perfect tense. So today I'll tell you where to use present perfect tense, because I often hear people, whenever they use present perfect tense, they don't use it nicely. They always use it wrong, and I can prove it. You may have been hearing one statement like, I have done that last year. I have, let's say, eaten breakfast at 9 in the morning. So these sentences are wrong. Why wrong? Because we have two past tense, like which talk about clearly past. So first one is present perfect tense, and the second one is simple past tense. But present perfect tense is a tense which we use to talk about our experience. All right. In present perfect tense, time is unknown and it could be finished or unfinished. But in simple past tense, it is finished and time is already known. So when people use I have done that last year, that is incorrect, because last year is a time reference. So you could say I did that last year. So you cannot say I have done that last year. So what we say, I have done it. I have done it. So present perfect tense is all about your experience, because you have to talk about experience. There we use present perfect tense. Let's say I have worked in call centers. I am 35 years old. And my lifespan is 35 years. So in between the 35 years of time, or 35 years of age, I have worked in call center. This is my experience. So I have worked in a call center. And I have ridden a bike. So this is also my experience. And I have eaten, let's say, pizza. This is also my experience. So in 35 years of lifespan, I have eaten pizza. So I have eaten, or you could say I have eaten pizza many times. All right. How do we frame present perfect tense? So first of all, we need our friends, and let me tell you about our friends again. So we have I, we have we have you, we have he, we have she, we have it, this, that, they, these, and those, and their friends. Am, do, have, are, do, have, and then we have is, we have has, and we have does. So the formula for present perfect tense is we need subject plus has or have plus third form of verb plus object. Let me tell you that again. We need subject, then plus has and have, plus third form of verb plus object. So this is the formula for present perfect tense. And how do you frame sentence? Let's say he has ridden a bike. He will be subject, has after that, ridden third form of verb plus object bike. Or he has seen her. And I have eaten pizza. And I have driven a car. All right. And I have made videos many times. So this is how we use present perfect tense. And one more statement, like before we start to use present perfect tense, here we need to remember three forms of verb. All right. We need to know all the participle. The first one is, let's say, eat. First form of verb, ate. Second form of verb, eaten. Third form of verb, ride. First form of verb, rode. Second form, ridden. Third form. So how do you frame sentence here? So he has ridden a bike. All right. She has eaten pizza many a times. So this is how we use present perfect tense. So the key points to remember whenever you are talking about your experience, there you have to use present perfect tense. Let's say if you are a singer, so you could say that I have sung songs many times. or if you are a biker, you could say I have ridden my bike many a times. So this is how we use present perfect tense. And whenever you are using present perfect tense, make sure do not use last week, yesterday, all right, because these statements will be incorrect. So we have to use simply I have done it. All right. So guys, if you have liked my video, kindly share, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.